Have you gained weight and are constantly feeling cold? This could mean an iodine deficiency and thyroid problem. Stay tuned and increase your awareness on this subject. Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of iodine, an essential mineral with incredible benefits for your health. From supporting thyroid function to boosting brain health, iodine plays a crucial role in many bodily functions. Let's explore the amazing benefits of iodine and how you can ensure you're getting enough in your diet. What is iodine? Iodine is a trace mineral that is vital for the production of thyroid hormones, which are essential for regulating metabolism, growth, and development. It is naturally found in certain foods and available as a dietary supplement. Despite its importance, the body cannot produce iodine on its own, making it necessary to obtain it through diet or supplementation. What are the benefits of iodine? Iodine's benefits extend far beyond just thyroid health. Here are some of its key physiological effects. Thyroid hormone production. Iodine is a critical component of the thyroid hormones thyroxine known as T4 and triiodothyronine known as T3. These hormones regulate metabolic rate, energy production, and many other vital functions. Metabolic regulation? By supporting thyroid function, iodine helps regulate the body's metabolism, ensuring that cells convert nutrients into energy efficiently. Cognitive function. Iodine is crucial for brain development, particularly during pregnancy and early childhood. Adequate iodine levels are associated with better cognitive outcomes and lower risk of developmental delays. Immune system support. Iodine possesses antibacterial properties, supporting the body's ability to fight infections. Detoxification. Iodine helps detoxify harmful chemicals and heavy metals from the body, supporting overall health. Iodine relation to thyroid health and metabolism. The thyroid gland absorbs iodine from the bloodstream to produce thyroid hormones. These hormones are essential for regulating the body's metabolic processes, including heart rate, body temperature, and energy expenditure. Without sufficient iodine, the thyroid cannot function properly, leading to conditions like hypothyroidism, where metabolism slows down, causing symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain, and depression. Iodine and brain health. Iodine is indispensable for brain development and cognitive function. During pregnancy, iodine deficiency can lead to severe developmental issues in the fetus, including cretinism, characterized by stunted growth and intellectual disability. Even in adults, low iodine levels can impair cognitive function, leading to problems with memory, concentration, and overall mental clarity. Low iodine and its impact on health. Iodine deficiency can have profound health impacts, including goiter, an enlarged thyroid gland often visible as a swelling in the neck. Hypothyroidism. Symptoms include fatigue, weight gain, cold intolerance, and depression. Intellectual disabilities, particularly in children, leading to learning difficulties and developmental delays. Increased risk of stillbirth and miscarriage. In pregnant women, severe iodine deficiency can lead to pregnancy complications. Who is at risk of low iodine? Certain groups are more vulnerable to iodine deficiency. Pregnant and lactating women. Increased iodine needs for fetal development. People living in areas with iodine-deficient soil. Regions far from the sea where soil and crops have lower iodine content. Vegans and vegetarians. Those who avoid seafood and dairy, common sources of iodine. Individuals with certain medical conditions, such as autoimmune thyroid disease. What foods have iodine? Ensuring adequate iodine intake involves incorporating iodine-rich foods into your diet. Here are some excellent sources. Seaweed, one of the richest sources of iodine with varieties like kelp, nori, and wakame. Fish and seafood. Cod, shrimp, and other seafood are high in iodine. Dairy products. Milk, yogurt, and cheese contain significant amounts of iodine. Iodized salt. Table salt fortified with iodine is a simple way to increase iodine intake. Eggs, particularly the yolk, which is rich in iodine. How to use iodine supplements. If dietary sources are insufficient, iodine supplements can help. The recommended daily dose of iodine varies by age and life stage. Adults, 150 micrograms per day. Pregnant women, 20 micrograms per day. Lactating women, 290 micrograms per day. Supplements should be taken with a meal to enhance absorption. It's important not to exceed the recommended dose, as too much iodine can also cause thyroid problems. Iodine and skin absorption. Iodine can be absorbed through the skin, although this is not the most efficient method for addressing deficiency. Topical iodine solutions, often used for disinfecting wounds, can enter the bloodstream, but dietary intake remains the most reliable way to maintain adequate iodine levels. How to prevent iodine deficiency and treat it? Preventing iodine deficiency involves a combination of dietary choices and, when necessary, supplementation. The strategies include incorporating iodine-rich foods, regularly eating seafood, dairy, and using iodized salt, supplementing when necessary, particularly for at-risk groups like pregnant women or those with dietary restrictions, monitoring thyroid health, regular checkups with your healthcare provider to ensure thyroid function is normal. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, iodine is a vital trace mineral essential for numerous bodily functions, most notably the production of thyroid hormones. These hormones, including thyroxine and triiodothyronine, regulate metabolic processes, ensuring that the body converts nutrients into energy efficiently. Without sufficient iodine, the thyroid cannot produce these hormones, leading to various health issues such as hypothyroidism, characterized by fatigue, weight gain, and depression. Iodine's benefits extend far beyond thyroid health. It supports cognitive function, particularly during pregnancy and early childhood, where adequate iodine levels are crucial for brain development and preventing intellectual disabilities. For adults, iodine ensures mental clarity and optimal cognitive performance. Additionally, iodine possesses antibacterial properties aiding the immune system and plays a role in detoxifying the body by helping to remove harmful chemicals and heavy metals. The impact of iodine on thyroid health is significant, as the thyroid gland relies on iodine to produce hormones that regulate metabolism. Proper thyroid function is essential for maintaining energy levels, body temperature, and overall metabolic rate. A deficiency in iodine can lead to conditions such as goiter, an enlargement of the thyroid gland, and hypothyroidism. This deficiency can cause severe developmental issues in fetuses, including cretinism, which results in stunted growth and intellectual disability. Populations at higher risk of iodine deficiency include pregnant and lactating women, individuals living in areas with iodine-deficient soil, vegans and vegetarians who avoid seafood and dairy, and people with certain medical conditions like autoimmune thyroid disease. Ensuring adequate iodine intake is crucial for these groups to maintain optimal health. Dietary sources of iodine are essential for preventing deficiency. Seaweed is one of the richest sources of iodine, with varieties like kelp, nori, and wakame providing significant amounts. Fish and seafood, dairy products, iodized salt, and eggs are also excellent sources of iodine. For those unable to meet their iodine needs through diet alone, supplements can be an effective solution. The recommended daily dose of iodine varies, with adults needing 150 micrograms per day, pregnant women requiring 220 micrograms, and lactating women needing 290 micrograms. Iodine can also be absorbed through the skin, though this method is less efficient compared to dietary intake. Topical iodine solutions used for disinfecting wounds can enter the bloodstream, but maintaining adequate iodine levels through food and supplements is more reliable. Preventing iodine deficiency involves a combination of dietary choices and supplementation when necessary. Incorporating iodine-rich foods into meals, using iodized salt, and taking supplements, especially for at-risk groups, are effective strategies. Regular health checkups to monitor thyroid function can help ensure that iodine levels are sufficient, preventing the adverse effects of deficiency. So, iodine is a crucial mineral with extensive benefits for thyroid function, metabolism, cognitive health, and overall well-being. Ensuring adequate intake through a healthy food plan or supplements is essential, particularly for vulnerable populations, to prevent deficiency and maintain optimal health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.